Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of a 5-bladed hand crimper sheet metal tool. It'll work with 24-28 gauge steel, aluminum, or stainless. Gets excellent customer ratings. This is a 10.5 inch sheet metal crimper, precision forged alloy steel, allow you to crimp. So it produces factory precision indentations in stovepipe, round duct, or aluminum. The maximum cutting force of duct crimping tool is 0.16 inches over 4 millimeter. Now a lot of times you have the need to crimp metal for HVAC applications. When you're doing ductwork, you got a circular piece that has to fit into another piece. But another application is for downspouts. I'm going to be demonstrating that. So there is a lock on here, you can see, and then it opens it up. You can see the front there. There's a close-up of it right there, and how it moves to crimp. And you can see one side is a little longer on the handle, and that's so that you can grab it like that. But it'll work either direction, whatever's more comfortable for you. And the force gets multiplied by this set of bolts right here. It takes your hand force times the length and it multiplies it so that you get a lot of torque down to this, and it's vertical pieces of steel with a bushing along with a spring return mechanism on there. Very nicely done. So let me demonstrate this on some aluminum gutters. Here's a typical application I'm going to demonstrate. So I've got 2 pieces of aluminum gutter, and they don't connect inside themselves because they're the same essential material and same diameter, and placement's not going to work. So let's just give this a try. I'm going to take this one piece right here, and I'm going to see if I could add some crimping to it. So see what it's doing? Crimping the metal down. If you look from a profile right there, and I can go around like this. So it's taking up surface area of the aluminum by making little tiny triangles essentially in there. If you look at overall, you see what it did. So that's reduced the overall diameter, length times width of that aluminum piece. Now by doing that, I could take this piece and I should be able to compress it and get it to fit on there. And there you go. So it's on there very tight now, and if you want you could put an aluminum screw right there. But that's it. So now you have a mating piece of aluminum that you can use on your gutters. And it'll work with aluminum or stainless or regular steel, and the ductwork in your furnace and things like that. So very handy. That mechanism on there compresses and makes those dimples quite easily. So after testing, what do you think about the 5-bladed hand crimper sheet metal tool? Very, very nice product. Simple to use, and something you want to have in your shop, because you never know when you're going to have to crimp a piece of metal to have something fit inside something else. Perfect to have around. So I'm impressed with the overall quality of this, and the customers seem to really like it also. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.